Come here, let me tell you something. I find the ex-husband on Facebook.
You find the ex-husband?
Yes. The one who got prison for 5 years.
But him a talk about say him man in the army. I like him tell I stepson.
Him man then on a blood clot army.
I stepson in the army, me love. The man come from Seaview, guard.
No, sir. You're not for trouble people when you have so much dirty deeds.
Guys, fucking outada. Nobody hear people that talk about big stinking dirty Miss Blinga and DDF double door fridge. You come and buy you the argument.
Come and buy you the argument big time and she make the woman a send her around all over the place to watch people. The woman a stop watch me for my life today. Today when I gift her then get mad and see her for my life and just drop a universe in her blood clot head.
Fuck her, make she feel bad. Fuck her. All dirty germs.
So she had dropped the lion and the blood clot universe and the all witch head. She depon, oh, gollibop and a skin out. Mr. Jesus, I smell so. Riverton. My swear things say Riverton they are foreign.
Let me tell you something, my love. Cheese them used to be cheese and chop up cheese like a dog in a capsule and then chop her up. Them chop.
A capsule she come from some noodle a capsule.
No, I no capsule. Me come from capsule and she come from Maxfield, but she Katie girl, she have to run around and come and capture and call leave.
Oh,
yes.
Somebody tell me say a coward stab. She coward stab the girl.
She coward stab her.
And run away. Answer she a bad girl.
That's why I say anybody Jamaica him that lock her up.
So him can't come back nowhere near you. So that's why I'm fear run and hide and beat up him come over there. So
she go England, them DR. She go Trinidad, then DR. Then DR for Antigua, Crest. The last country, no. The last country then DR are from Trinidad. Cause I mean tell you, she did go Setman, she did go Barbados and she get pregnant at Barbados and then DR from Barbados, no, but she got Trinidad and then DR from Trinidad.
She start do so much place she gone deep. Everywhere she go them deep her, so.
Everywhere she go them deep her. Everywhere.
I want to walk and trouble blood clot. People say, what she a trouble you about now?
No, listen on. You see, because me did over your life, I say, we miss Blinga something, and that's why she come back. And that's why. But show me that show me Blinga address, number,
everything.
Everything, my lord.
And that alone, some people send me all type of things. Them send me all paperwork where she owe $20,000 loan.
Yes, but come here now. Miss Blinga says she where did someone name?
CNA. So
yes. Wait, no, me have the number for this treasury people in love. So when me give out the number, more the people in call and say, Anisha, more them call,
Alicia Campbell Lynch. You know, look like she take off the husband last name. Me find out all, me know her address too.
So the people have to call it and tell her love. Tell the people.
Me find, you know, me find, come here, me tell you something, me find the ex-husband on Facebook.
You find the ex-husband?
Yes. The one who got prison for 5 years.
But him a talk about say him man in the army. I like him tell I stepson.
Him man then on a blood clot army.
I stepson in the army, me love. The man come from Seaview, guard. The ND, the man name. Yes, the man come from Seaview, guard. The man HR.
Me blood clot.
The man
You don't know say. You don't know say. So come here now. You want next mix up. So you don't know say the little boy where she there with you now when him TikTok police. Him start make one little act on her last night. She want a little money for go spend her money on him friend them on the ends. And say him tita hurt him. And act like him tita at him good to you. She want the 25,000. Hear her on her live last night. Everybody send me $1. Make me send him go doctor go take out the teeth. You don't know so true the boy not get the teeth. The boy gonna start talk back to a woman when she tell himself a black.
Yes, the woman will buy him the TV.
The woman will buy him the blood clot TV. It's a mad out her blood clot right now, good.
The woman will buy him the TV. Yes, me know the woman. A friend woman buy him the TV. But the woman, no, but the woman tell me say, and yam, TikTok police and yam Miss Blinga. You know what Miss Blinga?
Him no want her. Me not think say want her for true. Me not think so at all. Them love chat me mix on things so I wanna come drop me mix up now, no blood clot. Me, I don't know. Listen to them send me a picture of the boy with him body. The boy come from my live and look me last night, right after the woman done me on her live and chat to him. She come and eat my live. But I tell me how much he want come over for some curry shrimp and mashed potato. She here say me a cook. Come like a belly as him easy to get catch.
Miss Blinga can't cook, you know.
She don't look like she ever cook for him. Him look like him bag all her blood clad face when time him a fuck she.
She can't cook.
When time she come a blood clot Jamaica, him lock her up in a one blood clot Airbnb and gone about him business, gone fuck him young girl them with fear money. She talk to the say, me blood clot.
The long time blood clots going up with the 1960.
You know, say yesterday me make a GoFundMe for her.
The long time going up with the 1962. Nobody know where the old broke there.
Nobody know where that like a Salvation Army. And that's why she run, that's why she go around and eat good girl. The girl them will put themselves together.
Could he boot? You get a lucky cut of that blood clot you can't get up.
And the fracker kill me, a fracker kill me.
Lord! Jesus Christ! Miss Blinga, from this moment dress.
I must from this blood clot moment, I could never Titanic, because I see them wear better in a Titanic.
And she talk about she a good as. Look at this here.
Jesus, that kill me. Me eat the blood clot wig. I want fight the blood clot wig.
Oh, sir.
I want fight the blood clot wig. The wig agitate me.
Look, the man eat her, you know. Because the first time the man go down, she now one dress and one piece of old boat. And the man, that TikTok police, put the blood clot camera upon her. You can't do that. You can't do that. You can't do something.
I from the camera with the piece of wig.
She a ball, you want, she a cry. You can't do that. You can't do that.
I lie.
Yes. You depend on TikTok, yeah.
Me have to go run through them blood clot file, my love. Me have to go to me not have time for Google. Me have to go on blood clot social media and run through everything. And me she come home. Me at least me's an ambitious blood clot or them a fuck from where wappy kill blood clot fill up and them not have nothing for sure. At least me take up a madman and reach somewhere. Them a fuck clean clothes madman and still no blood clot reach nowhere. And I come for me, you're crazy. You must be mad. And all you could have do all of them years you fuck is become a CNA, clean people shit.
She used to have one hairdresser shop, me love, and then put out her hairdresser shop so she lock it down. Yeah.
In 2018, me see it on Facebook. Me go on Facebook and find her old profile.
Yeah, then put her out of the shop. I don't know, apartment she live in, I know she live in one houses. A house.
It looks like a house, sir. Me show you.
You know what they call houses? Like it come like a social house. An apartment she live in.
I have to go send you the sitting name because I have the sitting. I look for your picture.
All big stick with double doors. You can't even walk good. You want some big and shit, man. You want some big shit, man. You say how good as. We not turn up and talk to a passport size picture. Turn up, Miss Blinga.
What kind of belly that?
Turn up. Every day you're still looking at the blood clot. You can't even move. Yes. I just, you know, she don't want one of my fans take her picture and she never know.
What the blood clot? This argue with me.
Yes. You know, say I will have done your son.
Mighty God. And what that? And that's why the woman ate me.
Hello? Hey man, what fuck the man no call this blood clot here? One big stinking dirty blood clot.
Yeah, in 2018. At them time, the man rape her pitney. Good as see her mama ya. See her mama ya.
Yes, her mother that the man the villain come from, you know.
Eh?
Man the villain come from, man the villain she come from.
Ah, yeah, so she live.
Yes, right in the saw, me have it, right in the saw, yeah.
Yeah, Kingbridge house in me ear. Oh, what is she live?
Yes, alright, this is she live. That's why she can't show the house, my love. How many pieces of mattress she dip and sleep on? Man, 30 pieces of mattress she favorite. No, she can't show the house.
Lie. So it's a housing place,
She not have her 2 daughters, them, you know.
Yeah. How much
She have
people she have?
the 2 daughters. She have 3 pitney, right? She have 1 little boy and she have 2 girls. The 2 girls them put me have a picture, but then take them away. She not have them.
I lie.
She not have them. And the one in the army, her stepson. I know her pitney, her stepson.
Me blood clot. And now me them want come for. See the house in your guys, and that's so she there.
What I know? You know me know.
Watch her when watch her. How she looks so? That she that time she used to do here.
After your passport size picture, she take me love, cause the only woman misses sit up on TikTok and never get up. And you know, drive here.
So the man up on Instagram, I have all him information. Yes, like he used to be a mechanic. See one of the man them here too. See one of her man them here.
No, her brother.
Her brother?
Yes, her brother. Her brother.
Her brother this?
You know one are used today? When the man them again? Show me have one video with him. Me have one picture with him, you know. When the man we always put on the people, man. With the car Amari.
Yeah.
Put that man in him again, guys.
Which man?
That man in the dance hall, man. Where about trouble put that in the car? I think in the car. And he always got Sunfest. I bring up the people in Sunfest and nothing, man, nothing.
Nothing. He man nothing did that?
Yes. So come here now. She said she the artist. And she make nothing for her, me love. And give her must read me love. And she must go put it on YouTube. Type in beauty map on YouTube. Yeah, this song name. That song make me feel honey and something like that.
Well, what she did name?
Beauty Blinga up on YouTube. About 10 views she get on the song. 10 views.
And that's why the girl hear me. Me look fake.
Beauty Blinga. That song make me feel honey. I saw this song name, me love. And she bring down spice, me love. She bring down spice. At
them time, they no fit did that try make them clash.
Yes.
See her you to blood clash.
I put the picture, me love, which she are not fair.
Watch her. Auntie did that try be hot girl. I know she did too.
And she did that?
You look like a she, my love. Did that try be hot girl?
You know. Also, me find the picture with she and nothing, me love. Yeah, she want nothing. Come up here, ghost there, so. All I need her arm. Or she want her arm. And she want to post people on the internet. And come here now. You know what, one girl named Shauna K. With Shauna K, her cousin, la me say Shauna K go up on the live the other day. Over Jabba's live, I must go say, and I borrow the things that we may talk now. And she, you know, yes, that's true. You know, that's somebody that know me. And she knows Shauna K from CVU, you know. And the girl go over there, must go tell Jabba say, our man come from CVU, and about everything. You know, yeah. So they must say over Jabba's live, so she afraid. So that's why she come out for the live.
Me blood clot.
Yeah.
Good as see the loan paperwork what she got from Wappy Kill fill up for she to pay back.
But come here, she did
$20,000.
She did bill what me go find go funny. She did bill one go funny on Instagram, you know. Yeah, she look the money.
Yeah, me Alicia Campbell Lynch.
She never said she look the money for payment.
Violation by Destiny.
What do you say?
Destiny flagged for personal information. Repeated violations could result in...
Click off that, my love. I feel them click off that. Me click off that, my love. I'm full of page, my love.
You have to put up personal information.
When me lucky, me not bring her down and give out her blood clot information, my love. So people, if you don't want the number, me can give the number. But when you don't call the number, make sure say. Wanna say, what's your name again?
Annalicia Campbell.
Annalicia Campbell. So make sure you say Annalicia Campbell, love, can me and give out the number, my love, because she have to go down.
She have to go down for true.
But no one in the my profile. Sometimes the one in the
somebody say I share report the live.
She can't report it because she black me. Or maybe she depend fake page.
A fake page she depend.
A fake page she watch pan.
Yeah, if you page she depend on watch way.
She a use one FS in America.
And what name so?
Social.
Oh, somebody tell me.
Yeah, me have the picture of
Me
me from
happy
everything.
too.
Yes, and she have to use it. She have to use it.
So now I'm not other choice than to use it.
No, cause she did get when the man is getting when the man did their so when the man did their jail, she did get in a trouble too.
Eh?
Yeah, because then they say she was a part of it. But she have to be a part. Man touch up in the middle, but you never left him, man.
And you never left him, man. You still uphold the man. You still have the man in the house of Fingley or
One time
Pitney.
the man beat her, she come on Instagram like a ball. And then this, if you leave out, I mix up. She's a ball.
So people, you mean by oh, you know laugh out loud. What you mean by oh, we know? She first she people and watch them to a foreigner. True, she thinks that nobody not gonna know. She only can do the camera around them. So people have links and people have sitting there.
Hello. Or me, no. As somebody where she sent to everything, said come give me back. Forward everything. I name did and nobody there. Did there? Yeah. I name and nobody there.
That's why she goes out on the Instagram, on TikTok because she look money for go find someone to live because house in Chidena.
I nobody names there.
But how should they have foreign your life upside down and you trouble people every day? Mighty God, man.
Aren't Olan. Our name. See our name there. I told me now show some things coming up. 1 minute where it come from. Everything there, our name. Miss Blinga, everything is there. Everything. And hold on. When she says she come on TikTok live, everything did them love her name and her number did them love. And somebody this way she did close to me love. Do her so. Set her up because they hate her. Oh, she like everybody business and she nobody enough to go in a fear business. Oh, she like some people business and nobody enough to go back fear business.
Everybody business. She try bring down everybody. She bring up be a fabrication for people and make up stories and bring people to go up against people.
I saw she talk about somebody sacrifice him son. What the man name?
Oh?
What the man name? When the baby when look boy dead. The artist there.
I don't know.
Yeah, I said about say I don't sacrifice myself. Big stink. So one policeman come on live and say, Miss Blinga, stop sister, come out of it.
You better be careful.
Such big stinking dirty woman.
The man them not nobody not to do her nothing. The man funds them with see her and hurt her. She should be careful.
The man in the car don't watch.
Him not go want get himself in no problem for that cause me know him. Him not go want. Him fans them will fuck her up. Remember say the man they in the business long time. You don't have to do nobody nothing when you have fans, you know. Fans
You see if she do a courthouse. You see if she do a courthouse. And you don't go over there. The woman want to cuss you.
I said so she do me. I saw she do me. But me for come up court.
She don't want share. The woman want. Rochelle the type of person will go on people life. If nobody not come on your courthouse, you want to cuss them. Go court your wall. Go court your back. You want a new body. Go do a belly
background. She go blood clot. Do cause listen the same thing she do with me. That's why she bring me. She try bring me down every week. Every week the woman call up my name in a court. She say court. And then she use blood clot eat that cheese as a fucking mean for. Me don't even know if I call this fucking girl.
You say fan cheese go America. Me love about that. But come here now. Cheese would have an house arrest on her foot the other day. Me love. Yes. Yes, me love. She did have an house arrest on her foot because she got teeth one pants.
My spirit tell me say like girl her teeth for now.
So they put an house arrest on her foot. She could have come out. Yes. Yes.
God.
House arrest on her foot. She could have come out, me love. But me tell you what America do with that. America bank up the case on her.
And deal with her and put her and lock her for a long time. She have more than one charge.
Everywhere she got her teeth, she not have teeth.
And she can't stop teeth because them set him foot and him answer. I said them set him so baba and he can't stop him now go stop.
Them is to beat her, see and buckler and grab. One time they beat she's and so she depend fix take her ground. She just shake so. You know captain her. Cause she walk and cuss everybody pick them up and then when she leave Bahamas, when she come from Bahamas, them beat her. Them do her bad. Them not like her.
That's why she don't care come back to Jamaica and she a file for asylum because she a try to make people think say if she come back to Jamaica, them a go kill her.
She nah get the asylum, I love cause she the America 3 years now and she never see a court much less judge.
Yeah.
Never see a judge. I never see a liar. Never.
And that's why she must have take Blinga side because she thinks that Blinga go help her with her things them.
Oh, Blinga fi help her. Blinga have no fi help her.
The two of them want help.
Blinga have no fi help her. Blinga have no fi help her cause Blinga want help me love.
She want help herself, of course. That RT been a trick them. Take them for a big old menke over them. So him can't hear me, no, him soon dash them a blood clot.
So one time me and Blinga say talk on Instagram. One time I said me and her talk. She come to me and said, this thing, I said, me do one of your thing. I said, what you mean? You wanna know? She said she introduced her man to Enos. And she shit up the man. She shit him. Me tell her, so she need to go to the pharmacy and buy a douche back and douche herself. And do the shit after.
Mighty God.
And it's not like me love. Cause when I'm a same gay friend, he want me gay friend for deal with him. Yeah, woman, I got shit, but she big, me she big.
Come here now. And in all honesty, you know things that TikTok police touch.
Yeah.
Him baby too.
You know,
That's
come here
me
now. Come here now. You know, say love sweets, me love.
Him love sweets, but him easy to catch.
That's what I believe. That is the reason why I maybe go by Rosalie. Because Rosalie say I look him so that's why I know say a sweet, him look dirty, man.
Him look everybody, him look everybody, him look me too.
Him look sweet. He wants some like metal. Him look sweet. He love sweets.
Boy, more rank.
Me. Say what?
Say more rank. Cause Tracy say we are rank. Him say more rank too.
But come.
Him a pressure for rank.
She said she want 42 line on her birthday.
I want to see that the 42 line.
Miss Blinga get 42 line. Nobody not feel like Miss Blinga. Everybody hate her. World Dog team hate her. Swiss League team hate her. Everybody team hate Miss Blinga. Nobody no like her. 43. Nobody no like her. Everybody hate her. They hate her. Miss Al Pinkwall. Oh God, they do her bad. They hate her. Nobody no like her.
What's your beef so like everybody like her? The woman say I'm the queen and I'm me run TikTok and not me says anything.
No, she don't give Amari her money.
Who Amari?
She borrow much thousand for Amari. All I know, Amari never come by life, come disgrace her and tell her about her pitney them or the man grand and pitney them and so much cash Amari their friend. All I know, she don't give back Amari the money. All I know, she don't pay back the woman for her money. All I know, she don't pay back the woman. But here, no, come here, no Jabba's ask her what here. I am my TikTok police. You wanna know? No, like she depend. She not look on the message, you know. She not look hear what Jabba's say. She hear but she ignore me. I'm spend for me, so Jabba's laugh. Can me see.
What the empire want slippers and one bag and oh this is for wifey. Me didn't know say she send the little money and him use it and buy something for make it look like him a do something. She a mind him right through and the nigga them on the block for protect him because them know him fruity.
Bad too bad, the boy not really look bad. Couldn't the boy they look for Miss Blinga? Miss Blinga belly drop down over her pussy, me love.
And if you tell him you know how him
Miss Blinga not even a body. You ever say Miss Blinga get up? I saw Miss Blinga get up. She don't get up. She get up so. Sideways so. She have to move sideways like a crab. No, she can't get up, people. People might ask her she can't. She have to move sideways like a crab.
You know, something never yet see her get up. She always hide and get up.
Me never see somebody me eat so yet. For true, me don't like her for true. That's why me don't like her.
Me eat the blood clot, woman. Like
me never see somebody me don't like so yet. Me don't like her none at all. Me don't like. Me never see a first woman me ever see me don't like. First.
No, sir, guys, catch his feed. No, sir.
And nobody no like her on the app.
Nobody not gonna like her. She too much enough and extra. We said people them soon turn against her dirty blood clot over there. Guys, we catch the blood clot triple. We send some up on the triple. Me a rank me the number 3 on the podium. The woman
see that you know we know.
And that she cuss and say me can't go blood clot podium. Guess what no? And she cuss out my friend. JX just come fling be a universal lion pan her blood clot.
Old grandpa.
Here are no, oh, JX money done because she rare. They don't even know nothing about the blood clot woman. She wish she and the woman was friend.
Oh, she be queen for TikTok, me love, and she not even get 2 rows.
Amika, thank you. She have to force the people and forgive her. She have to force the people and forgive her. Tamika, thank you, guys. Sean, Wagwan. Guys, triple. Sniper.
I'm about her son in the army, and she hide it cover the face. And her son in the army, you know, and her stepson.
Wow.
And the man divorced her from 2022.
Wow.
From 2021, me mean.
2021, because in them time they should get the protection money. The money to $20,000 when they give her is for protection money.
Make sure, how about she fi go on? How about YouTube she fi go on, my love? She fi go on over blood clot, my love. She fi go on over there.
Over there she fi blood clot go on. She come off a TikTok. She come down. And if make she come down.
Here, they say she say TikTok up. They say she collect Zelle and Cash App. No.
Yes. Yeah. Last night she said she beg everybody on the live $1 to give TikTok police money.
So why she do? So if she beg pani and figure TikTok police, I'm going to say she a mind the man for true.
That thank you very much. She fool, she not no sense. You're not everybody give me $1. And me send to the Ray.
Old piece of shit, big dirty DDF double door fridge. But the same girl, let me go call Shauna for the same blood clot girl come film me love. She go swear me with her blood clot. Her number me a put up on my clot. She go on blood clots we got she a serve me love. She go on blood clots. Me I love her man blood clot Instagram when she send me because the thing I go at me, you know, the man did I go down to Jamaica, you know, and she said she da go send some things because we da help people over here. So she will put her in the group now, so it says she's a part of the group, right? Because she always come over here and support me. Me never know I saw the blood clot girl. You know, when I see the message to them, I call her, she not a blood clot. And so somebody just take her out of my group, me love.
But me I got, do that.
Me I got, oh. You want some girl crying and the girl stay bad. If we a girl crying, you'll already there, but oh, look. I rubbish ship this. I in a house with 55 blood clot people. Anytime she come and everybody in the house, like a one blood clot room she live in. Everybody in the house, pack up in the house. Sister, mother-in-law, auntie-in-law, uncle-in-law.
Fucker, good for your blood clot. Sweet Mia, show her 2 colors before too late.
She's wicked, you know. She's put out the girl blood clot information, Instagram, everything. Oh,
Instagram everything?
Yes, he put out the name everything. So that girl, fuck her, she deserve it. When I like mix up and problem. Old green arm woman, me and her blood clot. All stinking dirty blood clot cheese. Look how cheese at about gully up and this and cheese work and fuck. Cheese work and fuck us at a team, all no team and one team man, cheese work and fuck. So cheese can't talk about nobody. Why did she come like a ball? Whoa, more me pitney. If you get back your pitney and you dash your pitney for the man. You know, get look a girl.
See me get some here. See this for where the cheese put out.
Yeah, that.
But me just talk with somebody. Me say listen me.
Bella. One lady named Bella over there. Here chose guys.
Bella look like a man. Guys, catch your speed. Guys, catch your speed.
Bella
She
all
look like a man.
Bella all and tough and ugly. And Bella all.
Because she well all like a fake teeth, a sitting in her mouth, dentures. The way she talk.
2 more guys.
No, with them old piece of fuck out old woman, you know. It's because them never make no use in them young days, so then company internet I try feel important.
She's like a man too.
Guys, triple, guys, triple.
She's breast bigger than her body. Berry and Cherry. What do you want? Cheese breast name Berry and Cherry, you know. Berry and cherry, what do you want? What do you want? Mommy is Stephen, a bottle of oil, Yeah, a berry and cherry person name.
Sound all and slow.
I'm big. You want, she go to storage and you want to see her belly? You want
I
to
bet
see
I
her
sound
belly?
slow. Yeah.
You want to see her belly? And you see, when you look, let me tell you what somebody do. If somebody will take her picture, take her photo shoot, send me the picture with her belly, look truly and truly. And when they filter down it now and do everything what they do, they send one different picture. She know, she posted the picture with them filter down everything me love and post. When me love me get the next blood clot picture, the belly flock, see?
Jesus Christ.
Love the picture. You look on
Mighty
it.
God, man.
You need me send her the naked picture on Instagram if you look on that one day.
Hold on.
Watch Shauna, she look on it with her big stinking pussy. That's why look faggy. With stinking nasty blood clot trees. Now for come behind a fake picture, look, and no bad. And she no bad, me love. Cause she know my brother will chop out her head. Her baby father when he dog eat her, the man beat her, me love and chop on her head. And I capture land. Black this to destiny, black me and all
Oh, she
platform.
skin out her pussy. And a naked. Hey! Why? This
Pussy
is
all a
wrong.
one funny.
Me see it.
You right, you know. I want you. She the
How
Instagram
would
about
she do that? Send somebody a naked picture.
one side of my girl. But she blame one man who drive one rubbish truck, say the man, but I know the man. But come here, we happen no. Look how them hate her now. She send the side of my girl the picture, and the side of my girl send the picture England to her transgender son, and the transgender son send it to my friend, if he send it to me. Cause the transgender son hate
Bumbo.
her in now.
Eh?
He bring her look boy. Look boy go America, look boy never look for him. Look boy hate her. He bring it down.
Me never know. Move
Yeah.
your blood
And that's
clot
what we need
MJ
to
about
back.
show it. Mama
She
skin out her
about
pussy. Mama skin out pussy. I take picture. If you send go.
but come here
You
now.
see her
What?
ugly blood clot face.
Something up on the pussy, or the pussy look like a bump, like a what? Something like a one what? Like a what? The panny. I'm going to go up on my Instagram, I'm going to post it in the Telegram group. I have to go some of them in Insta. I have to go some of them. I have to put up in Telegram group and go up on my Instagram. Clicking on my bio and see me Instagram. And I just click on that and find the Telegram group, my love. And I post it in there. And so you can see it. No, go up on my Instagram and watch me Instagram. And then you click on the link. My Instagram is Destiny Purpose.
Mighty God of Daniel. Look how them much look pan God. God just a work so. From them come for me, God just a work. Me not have to ask somebody nothing. Every information comes straight to me. And oh, you get that picture? Destiny easy a blood clot. Me know what Destiny find out nothing about me now.
No, listen
Come
now.
on, me I tell you.
Our picture come from England. Our son set her up, our one penny set her up. Our one son set her up, our own son.
But how her pussy look so?
Like a one big one, the panny.
Yeah, look weird. Me never see a pussy look so weird. But could you to boy your skin out and send people picture about underneath you?
Guys, if you don't want to see the picture, go on my Instagram, watch my story,
Yeah,
click
you
in on
see
my
her
story,
driving.
you see Telegram, and then you go in the Telegram group, and then you see our blood clot grind side. You see our big skin.
Can't hide. You can't see directly as she that.
Chibal, she said she have to
Somebody
take me
say
down.
look deformed. He look deformed. He look weird. And I
Chibal,
mean she want eh?
Chibal, I'm gonna lock up Destiny. Me say her sending police them. Hospital and me there. Still she have to lock me up.
I
Yeah,
must be good
she.
clad 8 foot over there. I must see fake coat over there, them are gonna lock me up. Robin, yes. Yes, Robin. Robin.
So look at so clicking, guys, everybody clicking on my story and type in Destiny Purpose for Instagram, and then you watch my story now. And when you watch my story now, you find our picture. And just clicking on the Telegram. Me, Switzerland, me live.
It travel far, me I tell you. And me she want come for. Now me have a pussy picture, girl. You talk about me. Only thing you only have two. You don't even find the next thing yet. I mean, I wait for you to find it. So you can run come for me. Cause anyhow you call up my name right there, so. Me and your blood class. Yeah.
With our blood clot.
Guys, this look like we have to go back after the rank in the morning. Cause Tuffy just come fling me off a podium, guys. I wanna now push. Wanna sit down over here, sit down a blood clot, listen to blood clot mix up. I wanna now push me.
The Telegram group name Lottie. The Telegram group. Let me change the name after the Telegram and name it Cheese.
You gonna name me what?
Cheese. Cheese front.
I forgot go up on my phone.
Cheese. The Telegram group name EXP0SE. Cheese EXP0SE pussy.
Hey.
That's her name. Cheese pussy.
What? Wait till they come.
They want to keep courthouse people and the courthouse and make no sense. All the big stinking dirty door double fridge woman. Miss Blinga, if you want long time blood clot center table. I saw me a show. Look here. Funny boat. Miss Blinga. And you know what she go here so? An RT boss event she go here so in America, you know? Yes, you want to share that cheer. You want to share that cheer the day. RT boss event. But come in RT boss weekend, you know RT boss turn the camera upon her.
Jesus Christ. Him wicked, you know? Him can't tell me soon get rid of she.
Oh, she ate Miss Blinga, my love. Him ate Miss Blinga. RT boss.
No, him soon get rid of her.
No, me tell you RT boss I do. RT boss I use Miss Blinga. Reviews them.
Yeah.
Relevant.
He soon put, if he stay relevant, and then he soon done out them blood clot. Him watch.
You know,
wait.
like, RT boss eat cheese. Eat cheese.
Here no, you're my original friend. And that she said to him.
I said, he tell the same man, me love and the man fling out everything. Here, you see, let me tell you when somebody give him the F something, you know, here is somebody to him now, the message response to him, you owe me some pussy.
Oh.
And somebody now go quit free, the somebody will make do the fake something for him. Yeah. Yeah. No lie.
Blood clot.